Here we are fighting a fish with JeffL in a snowstorm.
Howdy, faithful.
I don't think the heavy stuff's going to come down for quite a while yet. Pretty good sized fish, but he's being nice to us.
Yeah. I saw that tail, I thought we were in for a ride.
Should get back up a little more there, Jeff. Some people say this is crazy. I think some days I have to agree with them. He's getting a little closer now. Well, he was getting closer. Put your rod down a little lower there, Jeff, and slide him right on up. It's a pretty good sized fish. Put your rod a little lower to the water. There you go. Pull him right up underneath the current. He's coming. Keep that pressure on him. Keep pulling him. There we go. Lift his head up. Got him. Woohoo!
That's a big steelhead.
Oh, got him. What do you think about that, Jeff?
I like that one.
Alrighty.
That's the biggest one in a while.
Yeah, pretty fish. Alright, here we go. Gotta shut her down.